Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down and find sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. As you can see here at the very top of the list, actually we've got whole ringtone section. We can change the ringtone for calls, and this is the very first option, but also for the alarms, events or notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone for incoming calls. And after tapping here, you can check that we've got 4 different options actually from which we can choose. Here we've got 3 particular ringtones which are chosen from all ringtones section, and here they are highlighted, so we can tap on it in order to listen how the particular one sounds, so you can check. But if you do not like them, just tap on all ringtones, and thanks to this we will be just transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. So as you can see, we've got plenty of options to choose from. What's more, we've got 2 different options to choose: online ringtone or local ringtone. So after tapping here, you will be able to pick some files which you've previously downloaded, for example from the internet, and you will be able to set them as the ringtone. What's more, here we've got the option don't set ringtone, so your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. So I'm not really sure if it is the best idea to choose this option, but it's really up to you. Let me focus on the system ringtones. So in order to listen how the particular one sounds before setting it, you have to tap on it. So just tap on it, and here you are able to check how all of them sound. So in order to choose, for example, in my case, this field trip, then just make sure that it is marked that it has got this blue color on it, and we can go back simply. As you can see right now, it is notified here, and after getting back you can check it also under this ringtone option. So it means that from now on your device will use the chosen option in order to notify you about any incoming calls. Obviously, if you'd like to change the alarm, events and notification sounds, it will look just the same. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.